Number 10 is asking you to write an equation for the graph of a parabola. Before we start it, what I want to talk to you really quickly about is I want you to look at where this vertex is. And we're going to find A without having to go through the whole y minus k equals A times the quantity of x minus h squared, where you have to substitute for y, k, x, and h, and then solve for A. If you look at where this vertex is at 1, if you go one more unit to the right, how far would you have to go up before you hit that next point? You're just going one unit up. Go one more to the right again, and you're going up 1, 2, 3. If it's 1 and 3, you know that it's going to be a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 parabola. Your A comes from where your vertex is, going one to the left or one to the right, and then going up and finding out where it's at. If your next point is 1 away, then A is 1. If your next point, if you were to go 1 over and you would go up 2, then A is 2. If you were to go over 1 and it's right here at 1/2, then A would be 1/2. So let's go ahead and just write the equation for this parabola. Knowing that we are at y equals x squared as the parent function, horizontal translations go inside the parentheses, vertical translations are outside the parentheses. So where did we move this vertex from to go from the origin to where it's at? We went 1 to the right, which you know is an x minus 1, and since we're on the other side of y, we went 2 down. We can keep that at a minus 2. Writing that in true vertex form, it would be y plus 2 equals the quantity of x minus 1 squared.